friends, welcome to Vlogcember. Today's video is going to be about a subscription box I get quarterly, but it's one of my favorite subscription boxes. I used to have a lot of subscription boxes, but I've narrowed them down to about 5 of them, and I kept this one because I really do like it. It used to be called Cost Box, but now it's called ALLTRUE. Let me show you the box. It's huge, and I like it because all the items are usually either by women-owned businesses or they're small businesses all over the world, and they do beautiful, sustainable items that are not only beautiful, like I said, but also good for the environment, and they're very practical and multifaceted. Every item is with a purpose. So let's open it up. It is a really big box, so let me open it carefully and show you what it looks like inside. There you go. It says ALLTRUE, and this is the way it looks inside. I'm gonna go one by one, every item. I think I'm gonna have to put it here on the side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all the items, put them on my table, and talk to you about each one of them. The box did get a little bit dirty, but it's not the box's fault. It was the guy who helps me in the UPS store explained to me that there were some other boxes with like incense or something, and it spilled through all the boxes that were under it, and this was right under it, so it got a little bit dirty. But usually it comes really good. They used to have like really like different boxes, but now they make it with, or a few quarters ago they started making like repackaging with recyclable cardboard, so the boxes changed just a little bit. I'm an annual subscriber, so I get to format more items than the regular subscriber. It does come with a booklet that does explain what's in your box, each item, and even the ones that you didn't choose. Like, it gives you a general idea, and it also comes with a magazine or a booklet that talks about the different companies that they're sponsoring or supporting in this box. So this is a really nice read. I always keep them and read them because I find them really interesting, so I'm gonna put it on my bedside. And let's open the booklet up. Oh, it's like a map, like those big map sizes. So it's not like a booklet, it's just like a big paper. So it talks about brighter days, about the summer to fall transition. So here is the Seaweed Collagen Eye Treatment Mask from Mint Biology, 24K pure nanoactive gold hyaluronic acid. It comes with 15 sachets. Let me see, what was the other choice? Okay, it was either a hair wrap or the eye masks. Just what the wrap looked like. And I already have one, so I chose the eye mask because they always come in handy. They're individually packaged to rejuvenate, illuminate, deeply hydrate, and reduce the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, and eye bags. And they're formulated for all skin types. I love this lip gloss, but it does run here in the middle, so I apologize for that. The next item is, let me see the book, it's from Earth Harbor. I think everybody got that, so it's the biggest box in the box. Everybody got that. It wasn't a choice. It is the Seize the Day Luxury Skincare Bundle, and it comes with the Tidal Rose Crystal Hydration Mist, the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask, and also the Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. Let's open this up. This makes a really good gift. I might actually put this aside for a giveaway because I do have the Glow Juice. Let's see. It comes with a coupon, a custom code. You get BOGO 50% off. That's cool. And this is what it looks like inside. So it does come with 3 full sizes. I never tried this, so I might keep this to try it. The Antioxidant Cleansing Oil with sea kelp and papaya enzymes. This I like. Sounds interesting. I know papaya is really good for your skin. Then the Tidal Rose Crystal Hydration Mist. I haven't tried this either. This is to tone and hydrate. So you have the whole process here. The cleanse, the toner, and the mask. This is the Tidal Rose Crystal Hydration Mist with seaweed and quartz rose water. I love rose for skin. It's good for redness. And finally, the Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. I do have this one already, so I'll put this aside for one of you guys. It's really nice, really refreshing. It's a refining enzyme mask with red seaweed and fruit enzymes. What I don't see is something I don't like about this box right now. I don't remember they used to do that, but I don't see retail values, which I think they used to do that. No, I don't think it does. But still, really good. Really good item to receive. Okay, let's go on to the next item. It shows a vegan leather twin-one and everyday totes. I didn't choose that. The teas, the smart heated mug. Did I get that? No, I did not. Our speaker or welcome mat. They have, let me show you the picture. These are all choices. The bag, the heating thing, the speaker, and then you have here a welcome mat. This is a botanical speckled ceramic candle and a diffuser and a stackable party containers. I think I got the Soy Candle. And you probably ask, why did you get that? Well, I have a lot of bags, to be completely honest. Like, I have a lot of bags. Or maybe it was already sold out by the time I chose. I already have a bunch of pantry containers. I didn't want a heated mug because honestly I wouldn't use it. It doesn't get too cold here in South Florida. Diffuser, I already have one, so then, or the mat, I already have one too. Like, I try to choose items that I know I'm gonna use, so I got the Soy Candle. Let me show you. It comes in this box. It's with persimmon, red currant, cobalt, and mandarin. Autumn sunset. One for good, benefiting the North Olympic Land Trust. We allocate funds from every sale to humanitarian and environmental nonprofit organizations. Learn more at botanica.co. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it is ceramic and it's white and it has a different color, brown and beige specks, and then the bottom. Oh yes. I don't smell the mandarin. I smell it very fresh. I guess it's the red currant. It smells really fresh, like you just came out of the shower, spa fragrance. Like the steams, I don't know how to explain it, but like that, when you come out of the shower, like that steam. It smells really good. Alright, next was a choice between headbands of hope, the set of 2 knotted headbands, a layering necklace set, or a mascara. I didn't choose mascara. I chose, oh sorry, the stackable rings, the stackable necklaces. It comes in this packaging. What was the other choice? Oh, the headbands. I love headbands. Let me show you the picture. I do like headbands, but they give me migraines, so I can't wear them. I just have to get the necklaces. They're 14 karat gold plated necklaces. Designed with love in New York, made in Vietnam. From the brand Each. I think this box, I don't remember the price, but I think it was like $39.99 or something like that. I get the annual subscription, which is more affordable. And I like it for the reason that I said at the beginning, that they're very environmental conscious. And all these businesses are women owned or small businesses. I believe they're all women owned. So this is the stackable necklaces. I love stackable necklaces. This is very pretty, and you could extend them because it is at the last slot, so you could always extend them, and it's very pretty. And it's 14 karat gold plated. I know it's not solid gold, but it is plated, so you have the look without breaking the bank. I like it. The next is not a choice, everybody get it. It's the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. I have used this product before, or I still have it. It's a Hydra Repair Day Cream Camellia and Geranium Blossom. It is an Australian certified Australian certified toxic free. Through profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization, our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. Sounds good. But I am going to put this aside because I do have this already. And I think somebody else would also love it. So this is what it looks like. Pretty big. It is 2.5 19 fluid ounces. And last but not least is a choice, not a choice, everybody would get it, is the Huna Skincare Nourish Skin Nutrition Balm. This is apply as needed, a multi-purpose skin health balm. It is a skin nutrition balm vegan with organic mango butter, pomegranate, avocado, carrot, broccoli, and chia seed. That sounds amazing actually. 6 to 12 months shelf life, and I like it. It's really hefty packaging, and it is closed. I'm gonna open it because I wanna see if it smells like mango. It smells like very slightly as mango, but it smells also like shea butter, and there's something else there that I can't really put my finger on. It has candelilla wax, lavender. That's what I smell, the lavender oil. Let me get some that came out of the packaging. I'll show you close up what it looks like. It has a thick consistency, but it's not super thick, which is great. I wonder if you could use this on your lips. If you could use it on your lips, I'm going to use it for my lips. Put that back of my hand. Yeah, because it is a thick consistency, but it's not, like I said, not super thick. And it really like melts into your hand. And look at that. It is really nice. Now I smell the, I'm going to say pineapple, but it doesn't have pineapple. So it must be the pomegranate. Oh, wow. I never had banana in a skincare, but it smells good. I think it's good like for your body, for your elbows, for your knees, for your feet, for the whole body. Because it doesn't just say face, it says Skin Nutrition Balm Vegan. Another thing with ALLTRUE is that they also have a marketplace. So there's items from past boxes or even from this box that you want a second of. You could always get more for a discounted price. So I wanted to show you my subscription box from this quarter. I really do like it. Every quarter, with ALLTRUE, honestly, every quarter I love. Every quarter comes with beautiful items that you could actually use. And if you personally can't use it for whatever reason, because like me, I have already one of them from other boxes or because I purchased them, you could always use it to gift it or save it. It's just really good. Like, I loved everything. I like the candle. It smells really good. This balm actually, it smells really good too. The necklaces are very pretty. I think they're very pretty. You could wear them by themselves or layered. Really nice. What else I liked? And the Earth Harbor, I have a very good experience with their products, so I know I'm gonna like these, and I'm gonna try the eye treatments as well. So this is definitely more than $39.99. This is more than $100 for sure. So you do get the value of the box. And if you're an annual subscription, you get to get more choices than the regular subscribers, like I said at the beginning. So I'm ready to pick up and get ready for tomorrow's day. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the rest of your day. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.